In this video, I'm going to show you how to check size stocks using your mobile phone prior to a scheduled release or restock. So sit back and follow along this video. So you're browsing the Zalando release calendar and you found out that your favorite sneaker is going to restock. You prepared for the restock and waited for the release day. Came release day, you opened your product, but to your surprise, your size was sold out quick and you just wasted your time for nothing. But was it really sold out that quick? This video will help you check which sizes will be available during the release or restock. Before we proceed with the video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you will be notified when I upload a new video. To check for the size stocks, go to Zalando release calendar and look for the sneakers that you want to check. For this one, we have the Jordan 1 True Blue releasing on January 16th. What you need to do is copy the product link of the item that you want to check. Go to your messaging app like Messenger, paste the link and press send. You may then click the link and a new product page will open. Now, click on the three dots on the upper right corner and click the Open in Zalando. Doing this will open the product on your Zalando app. Now, you may check the sizes by clicking Choose Size. Then the size options will appear with all the available sizes in black. You can see here that all the sizes will be available during the release except for the size 52.5. Now let us check and compare with the Nike Dunk Panda that will be restocking on the same day if all the sizes will be available for purchase or not. Again, we copy the link, paste and send it to our messaging app and open the link. Now the Zalando app will open and we will be directed to the product page. Here we can check for the sizes. You can see here that not all sizes will be available for purchase during the restock. You can also see here that there will only be one pair of size 38.5 restocking. Those grayed out sizes will not be available during the restocks. So if you are planning on buying a pair for yourself or doing a pre-order on a hype item on Zalando, this method will help you check which sizes to expect and choose during the drop. You may also check my other Zalando video tutorials and I will post the links in the description. Again, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell. Please don't forget to smash the like button if you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching.